Roofing news for May 21st, 2019. Hi, my name is David Clausen. I go through hundreds of videos and articles each day so you learn everything new in the roofing industry in less than 5 minutes. So make sure to subscribe. And little Bon Jovi, morning, rolled out of bed, felt like a dog who's been kicked in the head. Checked out my mail. There was a letter that read, for sale, love for sale. Well, we have sales, but a great one from Atlas Pro Webinar, and it is for free. It's not even for sale. It's an hour and 15-minute webinar, and you get all these things right here to train a crew. It comes from Jim Johnson. He's made 3.1 million in residential sales in 9 months. So a great webinar to really build up your sales team. And below this video, I always put the links so you can watch the full video and article. Lee Haight, more sales, roofing sales training, leverage the internet for profit. So he gives you some tips and tricks on how you can grow. He wants to go from 50 million in sales now to $1 billion. So very ambitious. You need a little fight plan. He talks about do not be a victim. Some people are still talking about the recession from 2008. Don't fall into the trap of victimhood. Just get out and do it, which segues perfectly into Becca Switzer's Thrive, Don't Survive at Roof Sales. If you get the right training, you're going to be able to thrive in the roofing business. So some great tips on sales today. And then OMG has a cool little demo video on this Rhino Bond induction welding fastening system. And they have great animation that shows you how the whole system works. So if you're doing any type of membrane work on a flat roof, you must check it out. And the Metal Roofing channel, great explanation. It's their Q&A on Monday on all the things you should know about a metal roof with wind and hail, the deductible, what are the hail damage that a metal roof can take, and the standardization of that. The Mule Hide has TPO, a roof drain. They show you exactly how to install it under the membrane and what kind of caulking, how you should cut it in. And Geomni software, roof measurements in minutes, just a quick video, more of a sales presentation. Plus they give a video of the philanthropical work that they've done this week. And be careful out there, a roofing contractor pleads not guilty in worker's death. So that is the news for May 21st, 2019. A lot of info on sales. And if you do want to increase your sales, make sure to give me a call at 303-519-6353. I'm an authorized dealer with the Roofing Webmasters. We are the best roofing website company in the world for 6 reasons: content, reviews, custom design, experience. We've done over 300 roofing websites, the coding behind the site, and we're constantly tweaking it. So if you need help with any of your digital marketing needs, give me a call. And make sure to have a great day and be safe on the roof. Take care. Bye-bye.